this big snake always eat the bird's chicks, the baby birds. That is the way in the big jungle, the big snake look for his supper, baby birds. So usually the birds lay egg on the higher of the tree. They make a small holes and put the lay eggs there, and until the baby come out, the bird take a worm and things like that to feed this. Then only the mother went to get the food, the mother bird, and the snake began to climb. You know how to climb the snake? Big, huge, 18 feet cobra snake. You know how big is the cobra? Small one, and there is a 18 feet. Can you imagine? It's a big cobra. It's climbing for what? It's climbing on that tree like this, bending his head and going up. The mother bird saw that. So the mother bird knew, this is the end of my tree, precious little chick. So I had to do something. I cannot defend myself to this huge poisonous snake. But the mother knew something can hinder or stop this snake. But this bird has to fly long way. Do you know that? There is a leaf of a tree in South America that's in a place far away. It's in Brazil, a tropical country. There is only this bush or a leaf grow. If she can go and get that leaf and put her on the cave of that small place, the snake even come near. It cannot touch. So can you imagine that? She's a mother. She could do anything. She will do anything to defend. So she began to fly over the Mexico and going to Brazil. I've been in Brazil. It's just like in India, in Kerala. They have a lot of fruits, coconut, jackfruit, and tropical climates. And this bird was tired. She's tired. She thought she could not make it, but when she thought about that precious 3 little birds, they pushed her. Finally she got one branch, a tiny branch of that particular leaf, and she flew back. She came just in time. Meantime, what is going to happen? Do you know that? That big snake is climbing slowly. It's in higher on the tree, branch of the tree. It is getting tired too, this snake. But the snake has only one aim. What is it? Eat the delicious tiny bit bird. Just before that bird can reach on that hole and eat, the mother bird came over with a small piece of that leaf and put on the door. In essence, you to understand the cave, small hole, she put it. The snake came, and the snake thought that I'm going to have a delicious supper. But then the snake smelled that leaves, it could not go. So what happened? It's climbing down. The same speed he came, the snake is going down. think what happened. 3 little, tiny, strengthless baby birds is opening the mouth and say, Mommy, Mommy, feed me. Mommy, feed me. I'm hungry, feed me. But the mother thinking, oh, if I was little bit late, I was little late, my 3 precious children the birds may not be there. You know that 3 birds, little birds, and the father birds, daddy birds, and mommy birds, they all began to dance like this, dance, and they were happy. They were happy. You know what kind of happy? Joyous occasion. The bubbling in their heart is bubbling because what happened? Mother saved the babies. It's happy. Can you imagine that? We were at sinners. Lord Jesus Christ came to this world. Satan, as a snake, came to destroy Jesus. But God, in His infinite grace, He looked at you, humanity. In other words, you and I, boys and girls, look, Jesus loved us. And He gave Himself for us. He suffered on the cross. Because of that, what do we have? Joy of salvation. How many of you have a joy of salvation? Let me hear and let me see your heart. You don't have a joy of salvation? Come on, raise up your hands and say, I'm glad because Jesus saved me. Are you happy?